In this lesson, we are going to work on listing our approved and unapproved comments. Okay, so if we start with our index method, let's get comments dot where status equals to our parameters that we are passing in from the URL. So params status. Okay, so if we come and have a look here, so this is the status is being sent over to our index method. All right, let's create a way of listing out all this comments. So say comments.each comment, and then we close this. We end our comment here, and then inside it is where we have all the details. So I put a B for bold, and we can list comment dot. So we want to find the visitor and the visitor's full name. So every comment has visitor and visitor has full name in it. So that's how we're going from here into here. All right, and in front of this we have, let's quickly have a look at here, posted message on. So we can copy that, posted message on. And over here we have in bold comment dot post title. So this is where we've posted the message onto. Alright, so comment has post and post has title. So the next I want to put a horizontal rule, and over here if we reset the page, we expect to see something here, but nothing is shown even though the status is being passed over to the controller. And now this is because the param status, whenever things come from the URL parameter, it comes in as a string. So if I have here true, so this is a string, and when we reset this, we have nothing shown. But if I change this from true to boolean, true without the quotations, you can see it works. So now the problem is every time we send information from up here, it comes in as a string. So we need to convert from string into true type. And now to do this, we have something called active record type and boolean new, and then we say dot typecast from user. So it's quite a long one. So parameter status is what we'll pass into it, and it will take our string. It will recognize it as a type boolean and it will convert it for us. So now when we click on any of this, you can see it still works. Alright, so I'm going to extract this method and put it in applications controller. Because of inheritance, we can still have access to that method from every other controller in our admin. So I'm going to come down here and I'll define this method and call it boolean to bool. So this method is going to accept an argument. So you'll have a string, which will be a string of true or false or something like that, and it will convert that into the real true and the real false. Alright, so in here I'm just going to paste what we've copied and change this so that it is string. Alright, so now in our controller we can say to bool and pass a string and it will work. So if I come back into this controller here and I say to bool and I pass in params ID, status, and then save this and go into our view and everything should work. Alright, so refresh and it still works. So now we have a few more data. We have this content here. Okay, so in here I can say P, and now we want to get the comments message. So it's comment.message. Alright, so message is the name of the field we have in comments, so that's fine. So if we refresh our page, so we have the comments is listed there. So we have this delete button. We could add a delete in there somewhere. So on line 11 I can say P and I create my link to, and for now I'll just say delete, and we can say admin comment singular and then path. So we'll pass in the comment we want to delete, and remember method delete, and we can also say data confirm, and we can just say are you sure, and just say are you sure. Alright, so over here we can end and we can close our curly brackets there. Now let's save this and come back here, refresh the screen, and we could have delete. When we click on that, the message comes up, cancel for now, because it doesn't, the delete method in the controller is not written yet. Alright, so if we go into our controller method, the destroy, we can say comments. We can find the comment from the parameters that we've sent over when we click on the button, and then over here we can say comment.destroy. Alright, so after destroy we want to redirect. If we can redirect to the index method URL, and then we can say notice successfully deleted comment. Okay, so let's save this, go back into our view, refresh the screen, click on unapproved, it works, click on delete, and then click on OK, and it takes us to the index page. Maybe we want to go back to where we were before we clicked on delete. So come back here, click on delete, click on OK, and it brings us back to the same page and it says successfully deleted comment. So that's fine. So in here we have done this too. So we can view list and we could delete link, and also we can delete and we'll have messages being shown to us. So that's done. Alright, so we have a few things left to do. Not approved, we can view a list of not approved and show delete. So we've also done this too here. Alright, so in the next lesson we are going to tackle working on unapprove and approve buttons and adding a search to the page. So this is where this lesson ends, and I'll see you in the next lesson.